should I upload next? I really want to upload a training video. Nah, the files are all gone. Idea. Everyone loves Jordan 1 and making things, and everyone have cardboard laying around their house. Jordan 1 making things and cardboard all together making a cardboard Jordan 1 at home. So let's get started. So yes guys, we are making a cardboard Jordan 1 out of waste cardboard. So guys, you need a cardboard, a glue, scissors, and I guess that's it. And guys, without wasting any more time, let's get started with our making. And guys, I am making this for decoration purposes because I want some decorations in my setup, in my sneaker wall. So let's get started. So guys, I already made the patterns of one shoe because I have the patterns of the shoe, so I don't need to draw it on a paper then cut it. And guys, if you don't have patterns, you have to draw it on a paper by a picture. Draw a sketch and then cut it onto your card. This is the wing part, this is the liner part, this is the middle part, this is the toe box mud guard, this is the toe box, this is the heel tab, this is the lace lock, and this is the old parts, the old templates I made. So I need to put that at a side, and this is the cuff area. Let's get started. So guys, first I am going to cut the midsole. So as for the midsole, I am using a thick cardboard, as you can see. So let's get started. First you need to put your template on your on this. Then you need a pencil. Guys, I am cutting in this way. So guys, the soles are done. Now I need to first I am doing the collar panel. So guys, for the collar panel, you want thin cardboard. For all the upper you need thin cardboard for the flexibility. Showing you the whole parts, so if you want to recreate them. Guys, this is the mid panel. Take a screenshot out of it if you want to make them. This is the other mid panel. This is the guys side lace type panel. This is the toe box. This is the lace thing. This is the heel panel. ankle panel. This is the mud guard. This is the wing. This is the collar panel. And guys, this is the sole. Move on to the gluing process. First I am cutting the midsole this part so we can glue it easily. We want to waste all the sole, so let's do it. So guys, here is it. First we need to do this. Let's glue it. So this is the midsole part. It's a long strip. Guys, this is the glue I am using. It's a 7-dex glue. The soles and the midsole are done, and guys, I am back and it's the day 3 of the making my own Jordan 1 out of cardboard, and the shoe is all done. Yes guys, the shoe is all done as you can see. So guys, first see the b-rolls of it, and then I will talk you about the whole shoe, how I painted it, so first see the b-roll, then I will meet you. So what's up guys, I am back again with the with the final product. So guys, this is the cardboard Air Jordan 1 Chicago, and guys, as you can see, it's like a shiny because I put the gloss finish on for some shine and darkness on the paint as you can see. So guys, I really love this. There is all shoes from cardboard, nothing is used, nothing other material is used in this shoe. The soles are cardboard, the swoosh, the everything is cardboard. I make the left shoe because I want to decorate my sneaker shelf type that I made in my brother's room, because it's my workplace. I made all my videos right my brother's room, but I am right now in my living room because out here in Karachi it's so much hot here. And guys, I put the black laces on. This is the Jordan 6 rings laces that I put on from my shoe, and this is the shoe guys. I made all of this from cardboard, only cardboard. I use cardboard and glue and paint. I only paid for the glue because I have paint, because I am a customizer and I have cardboard laying around my houses. I have some box or pizza box. And guys, if you want to make your own cardboard Jordan 1, you need nothing, just a cardboard, for a thin cardboard for the upper and the thick cardboard for the outsole. That's just you need, and you need some paint or glue. And guys, this is the shoe final product. I don't paint the tongue because you can't even see the tongue because it's behind the laces, and I also signed here I guess, but you can't see. So guys, this is the shoe I really love. I am putting it, I guess I will put it on my sneaker shelf. So guys, I want to trade these shoes, trade or sell these shoes to anyone if you are interested. This is a Converse All-Star mid size 37.5 euro. And guys, if you want to trade your shoes that are size 40 or 39, you can DM me on my Instagram mentioned in the description, or if you want to buy them, also DM me on my Instagram. I will sell them probably, I guess 800, 700, 6 or 5 in this price range. Or if you want to trade, so DM me. And guys, this is a 9.5 out of 10. Nothing is damaged, it's a brand new shoes. I just wear it several times as you can see. So guys, DM me on my Instagram mentioned in the description. And guys, if you like this video, if you enjoy this video, like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon guys. Bye bye, tada, see you.